Now, who does that in their own garage? Let's get to the video. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Into My GT Entertainment, and I am Joel. I'm going to make a really short video today. It is Friday. There is Electra. I just wanted to give y'all an update on the new wheels and how I like them, if you can see from the opening of the video, and what I think about the setup I got going on right now and the new belt that I put on. I got another Gates belt, the green belt, and like I said, it's the same size as the prior belt that y'all saw me put on or talk about, but this one is the green belt version, which is supposed to be better for heat, better for this, that, and the other. So we'll find out about that eventually anyway. So let me go ahead and give you a shot of what's going on there, and we'll be right back. All right, everyone, this is the green belt that I have right now. There is the model number, if you are curious, for this particular one, and this is for the 3.250 pulley for my Whipple, and it seems to be doing really good. It seems like it has a coating on it that makes it stick a little better, but it could just be me. I might be a little bit crazy. Excuse me. So yeah, that's the belt, and like I said, there's no fraying or no even looks of wear on it right now. So it is the Fleet Runner by Gates, and it is the KO 61025 HD. If it's not HD, it is the regular one. And then let me go over here to the wheels. Hold on real quick. All right, everybody, now that I've had these on for, I don't know, a couple weeks now, I suppose, just want to give you my impressions of it. The car itself rides great. It's been balanced real well, thanks to Derek and Jordan, or whoever at Discount Tire did it for me. They did a good job balancing. There's no hop, no nothing. It rides smooth as any ordinary tires. So I appreciate that for them. This is the look I got going on now. And just a quick reminder, these are the RTR Aeros. They're 20-inch rims. Aero 7s, and they're the 20s. And some people, I guess, say that it makes the rim itself look smaller because of that big lip, which I'm talking about right here. The big lip that is going around the tire itself. People say it makes the actual wheel itself look smaller. People think it's in person it's like a 17 or whatever, and then the front ones have the same lip, and what it does, it closes it in, so the brakes themselves look big. I mean, they're the Brembo brakes, of course, but they look bigger than they would normally with an open rim. See if I can show you on the inside. See, there's a big dip that goes all the way down. It's literally that far, that far down in. So what you see from over here. So it gives it a nice little look, and it looks good with the Brembos. Alright, now speaking of the Brembo brakes, I don't know if it's the off-ramp I have over here. It's done it to me twice. And it's only done it since I put these rims and tires on. So it might just be all up in my head. But when I hit the corner there and I apply the brakes, they feel like the ABS itself, it feels like the ABS itself is starting to kick in. So you get that little shimmer in the tire, and you let go and go back into it. Hold on. Okay, mail truck is going by, so I want it to be a little. So again, you get that little shimmer. It's done it to me twice on the same off ramp. Now it hasn't done it anywhere else, and there's no leakage. The fluid's fine. There's no air in it. It stops good. They do squeak a little bit in the morning, but I think that's a Brembo thing. They all make noise up to a point, and then as they heat up, it goes away. And these are the carbon fiber ceramic ones, so obviously you don't see no dust on them or anything like that. Let me see if I can get them in the shot right there. But like I said, it's kind of a weird thing I'm dealing with right there. It stops when it's straight. It doesn't do it when I'm straight. It's only when I'm hitting the corner and applying the brakes. And it's going on a right corner, so it's leaning, I guess, to the left a little. So I'm working that out. I don't know exactly what's wrong with that. And the last thing, I guess, is that squeaking noise. I've brought it down or narrowed it down to something in the interior. It's either the weight of the stereo, it might be shifting a little bit and making it squeak, or it may be a panel that's loose. It just sounds, it's just real funny because it's when the car takes a ride or a shock, it's when it does it. But when you're going 80 miles an hour and you do a dip and you don't hear it. So it's something with the slowness of it. So I don't know exactly what's up with that. But like I said, I just wanted to show y'all the little things I've done since the last video and give you my opinion on, well, I guess I haven't even given you my opinion yet, have I? So let me go ahead and give you my opinion on those tires. So hold on real quick. All right, guys. Well, my opinion on these, on the car, I absolutely love it. I don't drive it in the rain, and as you can see, the weather is kind of iffy today. Buddy of mine's trying to get us to go to the track, but I don't think I'm going to chance that today. I'll just go do groceries, leave my car in the garage. It's a little safer that way. But like I said, there will be some track videos at some point. I do want to do some. I do want to get this car dialed in. Like I said, I think there's another track day to go, and then I think that might be it for the year. Sorry that the car is dirty, but it's been sitting for a couple days, and I just drove it out today because it was nice. And then I don't know in the previous videos where I said that it was sitting uneven. Well, you know what? It's sitting even today. So I don't know if my garage is on level. So I don't know. It could be something as simple as that. It seems to be closer to where it needs to be. It might be the driveway itself, you know, that might be higher on one side or another and makes it just look that way. But that's for a whole different story. We're trying to figure out all these little gremlins I have in here. But like I said, I do recommend the setup. It does put a nice look on it. Like I said, you have to get over the thickness of the lip, but it's really a nice contrast to the car. I'm not usually into black rims. I've had one set prior to this, but you know, like I said, it makes it look a little different. And like I said, I always have my other set so I could go back. So and like I said, it does a nice little, with the black there, black over here, you know, it gives it a little contrast. So you have the chrome in the RTR, and then you still have the chrome on the 5.0. I was thinking about painting those white, doing this part white and doing the blue dot. What do y'all think? Maybe not a blue dot. I don't know. Maybe I do. I don't know. I don't know what I'll do. Well, since this will be all white, maybe the blue dot will look good, but then it might fade into the paint. But anyway, like I said, that's the video. And like I said, I want to thank y'all for watching. Let me flip this around. I want to thank y'all for watching. Like I said, I don't throw out a lot of videos anymore. Like I said, I'm not getting the views for it, and you know, like I said, maybe one day things will change. But like I said, I don't have the I guess I do appreciate the subscribers that I do have, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't seem to go anywhere. And like I said, I don't know if the channel itself got jacked up or whatever, because I get views all the time now from a certain period of point, but it's like I have 2,000 subscribers, but I only get like 80 or 90 views. So there's the mathematics against that doesn't look up. Well, that's a whole different story, so we're not going to get into that. But like I said, I appreciate y'all watching the videos. If y'all have any suggestions of what y'all want me to do to the car, maybe do something to Shadow or Pam's car. Like I said, I get some requests for her cars. I've made videos on it before, but if there's certain things that you want me to do or show or get into with her, let me know, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching this. I know it's been kind of short and I haven't done one in a while, but like I said, I'll get y'all something out there, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, Peace.
Life,